In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an avatar to your WordPress site. This process should take you around 5 minutes, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you get it right the first time. Let's dive in. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to wordpress.com. This is your starting point for all things WordPress. Once the page loads, find the login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Clicking this will take you to the login page. Now on the login page, you'll notice several options to log in. For simplicity and speed, we're going to use the Continue with Google option. This allows you to log in using your Google account credentials, which is especially convenient if you are already signed into Google in your browser. Go ahead and click that option. After you click Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Select the account associated with your WordPress site. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you click the correct one to avoid any mishaps. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. On the right panel, you'll see a section labeled Quick Links. Under this section, click on Edit Site. This is going to be your gateway into making changes to your WordPress site. With the site editor open, focus your attention on the top left corner of the screen. You should see an Add button. Clicking this allows you to add various blocks to your site, which form the content and structure of your pages. In the search bar that appears after you click Add, type in the word Avatar. This search will help you locate the Avatar block, which is a feature you can introduce directly into your page. After you've typed in Avatar, you should see a block labeled Avatar appear in the results. Simply click on the Avatar block to insert it into your desired location on the page. And that's it. You've successfully added an avatar to your WordPress site. Adding personal touches like an avatar can enhance user engagement and breathe life into your site. Don't forget to save your changes so that your new avatar is live for visitors to see. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made the process easy to follow. If you want more tips and tricks on managing your WordPress site, be sure to check out our other tutorials. Happy blogging!